Welcome, stunning ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today, I have an exciting video that will captivate you with its incredible ideas for stunning short haircuts. Get ready to be enchanted by the beauty, elegance, and attraction of these pixie haircut ideas that are guaranteed to steal your heart. So, ladies and women, let's embark on a journey filled with the magic of these hairstyles. Are you prepared for a dose of inspiration? This year, we are showcasing the hottest trends in short haircuts, exclusively tailored for you. These styles are meticulously crafted to make a lasting impact, leaving you feeling confident and utterly fabulous. Get ready for a hair transformation like no other. Ladies, brace yourself to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a masterpiece designed to make you fall head over heels in love. From sleek and sophisticated to bold, this collection offers something for everyone. Just imagine the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, empowering you with confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning pixie haircut you have ever laid your eyes upon. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Grayish color, blackish color, brownish color, and whitish color. These are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully selected shades are meant to complement your features. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts have the ability to take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and gorgeous look. Witness the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. Unleash your inner fashionista with these hairstyles. Whether you desire a chic and sophisticated bob or a pixie cut, this video provides endless inspiration. These hairstyles are designed to make a statement and showcase your unique sense of style. We would like to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. We assure you that our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video and crave for more incredible haircut ideas, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will receive notifications whenever I release new content, ensuring that you never miss on the latest trends and hairstyles. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and stunning women. Thank you for watching this video, ladies and women. Your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have shared these amazing haircut ideas with you. Remember, a great haircut can do wonders for your confidence and overall appearance. And remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest masterpieces. So go out there, rock your stunning short hair and embrace the beauty within you. And always remember, you are essentially beautiful, and with the right hairstyle, you possesses the power to conquer the world. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for joining us on this wonderful experience and being a part of this video. Until next time, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. Stay stylish. See you in the next video.